Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to search inside a conversation on Telegram. So let's start. First open the Telegram app. Now open a conversation. Then tap on the three dots on top right corner. Now tap on search. Now type in a phrase or word you want to search. And then tap on the search icon on your keyboard. And it will highlight the search results. Now let's try it again. I'll search another term. And here you can see that the message is highlighted. And now to close the search option, tap on the cross icon on top right hand side and then arrow icon on top left hand side. And that is how you can search inside a conversation on Telegram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.